The frogs begging for a king. Once upon a time, an army of frogs lived in a pond, happily. One day, the frogs held a meeting, in which they unanimously agreed that they needed a king to govern them. So, they prayed to God, "Please, please dear God, send a king to rule us." God answered their prayers and sent a huge log, which fell in the pond with a bang. The frogs were frightened. They plunged into the depths of the pond, thinking that the king was very powerful. Once their fears vanished, the frogs climbed up the log. They played and danced on it. Once more, the frogs were enjoying their life in the small pond. But soon, the frogs were disappointed as they discovered that the log lay motionless and did nothing. Once again, the frogs prayed to God, "Please, please, send us a mighty king this time." This time, God sent a big stork. "Oh! Wow! Our new king is really majestic. He must be a great leader," cried the frogs in admiration. But things took a different turn. The stork started gobbling the frogs. The frogs were frightened and tried to escape, but failed. Day after day, the stork fed upon the frogs. Finally, a day came when not a single frog was left in the pond. So children, the moral of the story is, endless demands may turn out disastrous.